Let's take a walk around the $941 million Commercial Bay, New Zealand's largest commercial retail project. We're on the waterfront on Quay Street, looking up at the many buildings in this complex scheme. The area outlined in red here is the site of new restaurants which will look straight over the waterfront, and at the neighbouring existing number 1 Queen, which we're passing now, that's got newly created dining areas.
What we have here is 3 separate models of the Commercial Bay retail element, comprising the ground floor, level 1 and level 2. And we've found these models to be a wonderful tool for articulating to prospective tenants how the retail centre lays out through the laneways, the various retail precincts across the 3 levels. But then we have the extraordinary ability to be able to look out the window and actually tell people exactly where their shop might be on the site, right next door to us, just right out the window. Yeah. So very, very special opportunity here to market Commercial Bay to prospective retailers.
And we can see the laneway that's going to be moved, allow people to move from lower Queen Street down to lower Albert Street, right through the middle of the site.
Absolutely, 6 metre wide, 3 level tall, 24/7 laneway, connecting lower Queen Street with lower Albert Street, connecting the Britomart train station with the new lower Albert Street bus terminus. And then of course you can look straight out the window and see it forming before your very eyes.
This is the site's midsection between Quay and Custom Street, lower rise where the dining hall harbour eats and the shopping centre are being built, low rise so it doesn't cut out the views from the big office tower behind. We're back on Quay Street heading towards Queen, looking up at number 1 Queen, and behind it the big Commercial Bay office tower. And here's how it'll look once it's finished inside the new centre. You're transported into late next year when the shops and dining areas open. We're outside retailer H&M on the corner of Lower Queen and Custom Street West. This is the first of more than 100 shops and opened in August. We're now walking up Custom Street looking at this tower. This is going to be 40 levels high. It's up to level 34 at this stage. Now we're crossing at Albert Street, gazing back towards the PwC Tower, as it will be called, seeing the glazing up to level 17 on one side and level 15 on the other. We're ending now looking towards the waterfront, and we're coming up to a pedestrian overbridge which will span lower Albert Street. Commercial Bay, opening 3rd quarter 2019.